Hey guys, today my little guy and I are going to show you how to make these delicious sugar cookie bars.
It was so yummy.
It is, huh? Was it worth the wait?
Yeah, it was like chewy.
It was chewy? It was chewy?
It was like a little chewy.
Let me take another bite.
I like it. Hi guys, today we're making sugar cookie bars.
Yes, we're making sugar cookie bars. And these sugar cookie bars are so addicting and easy to make. They're soft and topped with a delicious frosting, and they're perfect to bring it to your next gathering. So let's get started.
So let's get started.
All right. Okay, are you ready, Bradley?
Yeah.
Okay, so first things first. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2 sticks, which is 1 cup of softened butter, and then 2 ounces of cream cheese. You want to add that in?
Yeah.
Okay, just use the fork and push it in. There you go, good job. And then we're gonna save this butter for the frosting later. We're gonna eat butter by itself? Okay. And then we're gonna add 1 3/4 cups of regular white sugar. Go ahead and dump in there.
Okay.
Good job. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my electric mixer and get the butter and the cream cheese and the sugar all nice and creamed together.
I ate the sugar thing from my cup.
Okay. Is it yummy?
Yay. Yeah.
Of course, sugar is delicious, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yes. Okay, so now that we have our butter and our sugar and cream cheese all creamed together, we are going to add 2 eggs. And I like to crack my eggs into a little bowl before I add them to our mixture, because you don't want to accidentally get any shell. Okay, you can't do that once I add eggs, okay, because this is raw. But yeah, I don't want to add any shells to our mixture, so we want to make sure they're nice and safe, and then we can dump them in. Go ahead and dump them in. There you go, and then we're gonna get everything all nice and mixed up.
I want to see it.
Yes.
I will eat it.
All right, now it's time to go ahead and grab our dry ingredients. Okay, for the dry ingredients, I have 2½ cups of flour, and to that we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. Want to add the salt?
Yeah.
Right.
The salt in there.
Yeah, that's the salt. Okay, add it to the bowl. All right, and then we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So Bradley's gonna add that. Go ahead and add it. You wanna mix?
Yeah.
Okay. And we just wanna get the salt and the baking powder all well incorporated into the flour before we add them to our mixture. Let mommy have a try. Ooh, do you like flour? I don't know about that raw flour taste, but I guess Bradley likes it. And what I love about this recipe is there's absolutely no chilling involved, no rolling the dough into individual cookies. We're just gonna mix everything up, dump it into a baking dish, and bake, and it's as simple as that. Okay, we are ready to transfer this into our mixture. You made a mess? That's what baking's about. It's about getting messy with our kids. It's okay. Okay, so now in increments, I'm going to add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. And I like to do this in 3 increments. Do you want to help?
Yeah.
Okay. And I like to have the speed on low when I'm mixing them together. Here. Use 2 hands. There you go. There you go, you got it. Okay, I'm gonna add more while you mix, okay? Wait, actually let's just turn this off. Okay, it's safer to turn it off while I add. Let's do this much. Go ahead, mix. Good job.
Creamy and yummy. Let's want to eat it.
I know, we have to wait. Well, we have to bake this, and then we can eat it. Okay, do you want to dump in the last batch
I want to do
of flour. Here you go. Oh gosh, hold on. Dump in the last batch and then you can mix again. Ready? Don't spill. Good job. All the way in. Awesome.
I want to do it.
Okay, you can do this. Now our cookie batter is ready to be baked, so we are gonna spread it onto a bottom of a prepared 9 by 13 inch baking dish.
Okay.
And Bradley is gonna go ahead and try to scoop this batter out. It's a little thick because, okay, I think you're gonna have to put more muscles into it. Try again. Your hardest. Come on, that organic chicken sausage that you ate, it's supposed to help with your muscles, right?
Oh, I'm stronger.
Yeah, because he ate all his sausages for breakfast this morning. What's funny is I actually made these sugar cookie bars for Valentine's Day to give away. And after I was finished baking them, I left them to cool for a few hours. And I walked into the kitchen and honestly, like half of the batch was gone. My hubby and my son totally devoured it. So I guess it's safe to say that they were that good. So I went ahead and smoothened everything over with a butter knife, and I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for about 30 minutes. And you'll know when it's done when the edges are kind of nice and golden and the center is set. Okay, so we're ready to put this in the oven?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my dog on a walk. By the time I'm done, these delicious sugar cookie bars will be done baking. So meet me over at the oven.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's time to prepare our frosting. Here I have 10 tablespoons of softened butter. Do you want to add that to the bowl?
Yeah. There's more softened
Yes, more. Lots of butter in this recipe. But you know, that's why we're making this for a special occasion, not an everyday occasion. Okay, and now we have 2 more ounces of softened cream cheese. Use a spoon, because it's kind of gonna, it's thick, so it's gonna get stuck. Go ahead. And then we're gonna get those 2 ingredients creamed up together, and then we'll add in our sugar.
I wanna do it.
Okay. Oh my gosh. There we go. Go in circles. Okay, so in increments, we're gonna add in our powdered sugar. Go ahead and, actually you could just add the whole thing.
Add the whole thing?
Yes. Okay, good. We didn't waste any powdered sugar. All right, go ahead.
Well, I want it.
Okay. All right, so our frosting is looking really good. We're gonna wait until the cookies are completely chilled, and then we're gonna spread it on top of our sugar cookie bars.
I'm so excited to put this on the cookies.
Yes, okay. We gotta be patient, let them cool first.
Okay.
Okay.
The sugar cookie bars are all through baking, the center is set, and the edges are nice and slightly browned. When it has completely cooled, I'm going to go ahead and add in our frosting. Using a butter knife, I'm going to smooth everything over. It is looking good, and this is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and top it off with some sprinkles. You totally don't have to, but it does make it nice and pretty. These sugar cookie bars are so delicious. It has the perfect cookie to frosting ratio, and they're not overly sweet like how some other cookies are.
It's time for the taste test.
Yes, it's time for the taste test. Our sugar cookie bars are cooled, they're frosted, and I can't wait to have a bite. I don't think there's a cookie that I don't like, but these sugar cookie bars I think are my favorite. Gotta wait for me. Okay, ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, I'm so excited.
Mmm.
Mmm. Moist, chewy,
Chewy.
soft.
Soft.
So delicious, right?
So delicious.
It's like taking a bite of heaven. And I think I'm gonna have to give most of these away because me and Bradley will eat all of them and we don't need all that sugar. But anyways, give these cookies a try, make them for your next gathering. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.
Take care. That was so yummy.
It is, huh? Was it worth the wait?
Yeah, it was like chewy.
It was chewy? It was chewy?
It was like a little chewy.
Let me take another bite.
I like it. See you guys the next time. Bye. That was so much fun.
So you love making videos with mommy?
Yeah.